Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firas Buana. I'm majoring English Education in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the modality analysis of President Joko Widodo's speech in World Economic Forum in South Asia in 2015. Before we start to analyze the speech, I wanna introduce you to what modality is. The meaning of modality, based on the Cambridge Dictionary, is speakers or writer's attitude towards the world. Holiday presented modality means the speaker's judgment of the probabilities, the obligation, or so on, involving in what or he is saying. The main categories of modality are a set of auxiliary verbs called modal, such as will, would, can, could, may, might, shall, should, must, and ought to. Modality is encoded in various other expressions too, such as possibly, probably, have to, need to, and be able to. To clarify how modality analysis works, let's compare these two sentences with using the same model. The first one is you may go now if you finish. Second one is a list of verbs may be found at the back of the book. Even though using the same model verbs, in the first sentence the word may indicating permission. In other sentence, the word may indicating general truth. And then, what is the importance of modality in political speech? In political speech, it is important for the speakers to manage the language, including the choices of words, in order to achieve the goal. Political speech should be made as influential as it can be because it deals with power and ideology. And in the end, I hope that the result of this analysis can be used to see how the use of modality in speech is crucial to determine the reflection of the ideologies. The data that analyzed was the speech by President Joko Widodo that delivered on 20th of April in Jakarta to gain support and trust from other countries to invest their money to Indonesia. Here is the percentages of modality types in his speech. The most used type of modality is inclination. Inclination modality means the willingness of someone to do something. For example, I hope after spending this week in Jakarta, you will also see our amazing opportunities. And I'm here to tell you with 100% confidence Indonesia will prevail. The motto used is will. This motto is included as high level of inclination because it shows determination. In the first sentence, it is followed by the see our amazing opportunities, and the second followed by the lexical item prevail. It is as seen by whole context, one of the ideologies reflected from the use of modality is self-promotion and commitment. Mr. Joko Widodo tries to influence the other countries to be worthless to invest their money in Indonesia. He even emphasized it by saying, if you have any trouble, just call me. The second modality type that most used in Mr. Joko Widodo's speech is obligation. The obligation modality itself means how necessary it is for things to be done or to be in a certain way. In his speech, modal adverb has to is employed, such as in I believe Indonesia has to change and we have to reinvent our economy. This model is categorized in high level of obligation, which means something that cannot be negotiated. In the other words, it can be insisted as a commitment. Mr. President reversed that the next step that must and will be taken is changing Indonesia and reinventing Indonesia economy. In the other words, Mr. President reversed that he is really committed and the changes will be achieved. In conclusion, the employment of certain types of modality above reveals that the speech project of two ideologies. The first ideology is self-promotion. It shown by inclination type modality. It reveals that the speech was meant to be promoting the chances that Indonesia have opportunities. The second one is commitment. It's seen from the use of inclination. The higher level meaning of inclination found in the data display that speech assured the audience about Mr. President's commitment and determination. It's a wrap, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.